Extract numbers from text string in Excel. Have you ever received a list of text strings that contain numbers, but only need to extract the numeric values? Let's take a look. Here I have a column of text strings mixed with numbers. I only want to extract the numeric values. Extracting them manually would be time-consuming, especially in large worksheets. So how can we do it automatically? In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to extract numbers from text strings in Excel. Let's start with a formula that works in every version of Excel. In an empty cell, enter this formula. Press Enter. Then double-click the fill handle to extract the numbers from the remaining cells. As you can see, all the numbers have been extracted from the text strings. Although this formula works in all Excel versions, it's quite long and difficult to remember. If you ever need to modify it, understanding the formula can also be challenging. If you're looking for a faster and easier solution, here's another method. After installing Kutools for Excel, first, select the cells containing the text. Select the first cell, then press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow to select the entire list. Then go to Kutools. Text. Extract text. The Extract Text dialog appears. Under the Extract by Location tab, select Extract the number. You can preview the extracted results on the right. Then click OK. Kutools will prompt you to choose where to place the results. Simply select the destination cell, and click OK again. The numbers are extracted from the entire selected range instantly. No formulas. Just a few clicks. You don't need to remember a complicated formula. Simply choose the built-in extraction rule and let Kutools do the rest. Thanks for watching.